This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send documents to Google Drive. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. On the left side, click the New button, then select File Upload or Folder Upload. Alternatively, simply drag your desired document or folder from your computer directly into the Google Drive window in your browser. This method is incredibly efficient for sending multiple items at once, making your file management much simpler. Accessing Google Drive on the go is simple with the mobile application. Open the Google Drive app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap the plus sign icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the options, select Upload. You can then browse your device's files, such as your camera roll or downloads, to select the document or image you wish to upload. The file will then be securely stored in your cloud, ready for access anywhere. Saving email attachments directly to your Google Drive is a very practical method. When you receive an email with an attachment, open the email. Locate the attachment icon, which often has a small Google Drive symbol next to it, or a Save to Drive option. Click on this icon or option, and the attachment will be saved directly into your Google Drive, usually in a dedicated folder or your root directory. This saves you the step of downloading and then re-uploading the file. For continuous synchronization between your computer and Google Drive, use the Drive for Desktop application. Download and install this program on your Windows or Mac operating system. Once installed, it creates a virtual drive or a dedicated folder on your computer. Simply drag and drop files into this specific folder, and they will automatically upload and synchronize with your Google Drive account online. This ensures your local files are always backed up and accessible from any device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.